Hi guys. So ngayon ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is about family. What is family? Family is the basic unit in society, traditionally composing of parents and children. Ano ba yung kahalagahan ng pamilya? So of course, nandun yung consistency of loyalty, consistency of being together, consistency of being loved, to be loved, and respect. Kasi yung family, doon nagsisimula yung yung pag-grow ng yung disiplina sa buhay, the discipline, the good moral, nandun yun, yung good manners, nandun din yun. So, which is very common to us na doon tayo, kasi doon din yung paaralan natin yung school, the very first school and the very first teachers, yung parents natin. So doon tayo natututo lahat ng respeto, disiplina sa sarili siguro. And yung family kasi is very much important to us. Napakahalaga ng pamilya. Kaya nga dapat buong pamilya, dapat when you walk together, you go around, nagbabanding tayo, we have a quality time with the family. Yun po yung importante doon. We don't have to set aside family. Instead, we schedule time para magbanding, kakain ng sabay, or gumala ng sabay, walking distances, parang maglalakad lang kayo, walking lang kayo dyan. Or minsan you have to enjoy yourself, yung gusto nyong mag-experience outside the house, kunyari hiking kayo or may kayaking kayo, or basta you are going to make a spring of adventure, yung pupunta kayo sa mga magagandang tourist attractions kasama ng mama, papa nyo, yung family mo, yung makipagbanding lang kayo. It's very necessary and it's very practical na paggagala talaga kayo, kailangan nandun yung mama mo, yung papa mo, yung mga kapatid mo, di ba? And what is important there is meron kayong unity, meron kayong yung buo kayo talaga na pamilya. You have a very stronghold family na nangingibabaw yung pagmamahal ng bawat isa. That is family. Again, family is the basic unit in society, traditionally composing a parent or parents and children. So tayo yan. So wala lang, yung sabay kumain, gala kayo kung saan saan, outside the premises, sa lugar niyo, di ba? So yun po yung importante doon. You just have to enjoy life with each other before above everything else, over friends or whatsoever. Kasi kahit anong mangyayari guys, yung mga anak, kahit anong mangyari, parents or family lang talaga yung tatanggap sa'yo. Wala nang iba. Parents could be considered wall of your everything, lahat. So kailangan consistent din yung belief mo na family is the basic unit in society and family is your Bible. Kasi sila yung nagtuturo sa atin ng tama to identify the differences between good and bad. And also, doon tayo natututong lumaban. Doon tayo natututong maging matatag sa sarili. Kasi nga sila yung training ground natin. When we go outside, parang kung alis na tayo doon sa tinawag na family, kung bubukod na tayo, at least we could remember everything, kung ano yung sinasabi ng pamilya natin, yung parents natin, particularly yung mama natin or yung papa natin. So we have to apply those advices na dapat dalhin mo yan hanggang sa bubukod ka na talaga. Because the basic principle of having a family is love. The basic principle there is yung unity. Kailangan nandun yun. Yung love, loyalty, and then yung stronghold talaga ng pamilya. Dapat nandun yun. Stick yun talaga. So, yun lang talaga yung discussion natin ngayon. So, have a family with love. Dapat you are true to yourself with your family. Kailangan walang tinatago yung sikreto. Kasi family is family. Walang tinatago yun sa pamilya. Kasi we should be open. We should be open for our problems. We should be open for everything that we have encountered outside. And we could also share during mealtime, di ba? Or kung nagbabanding tayo, usap-usap din minsan. And especially if you have work, pagdating sa bahay, you can discuss among others na ganito yung experience namin sa work, ano bang dapat gawin, ganito ba yun. So, yun, basta you have to open up everything sa bahay, dun sa pamilya mo, kasi there are the persons na handang makinig, and they are the persons also na handang magbigay ng advice. So, yun lang for tonight's video. This is J. Paul Kabagtanan sa Simpleng Gwapo. Maraming salamat guys. Don't forget to share this this video. Para naman po ay marami tayong mabigyan ng pagkakataon na mapakinggan at mapanood ng ating konting video lang. Okay? Kasi nakakatulong din to para din sa ating in-stream ads. Okay? Salamat po. God bless you. Bye-bye.